I hope you guys are all having a great day. EasyAutoFix here, and today we're going to learn symptoms of bad brake pads. The purpose of the brake pads is to act as a friction material to stop the car. When you press on the brake pedal, hydraulic fluid is passed from the master cylinder through the brake lines and into the caliper on each wheel. The hydraulic fluid then pressurizes the caliper to compress the brake pads on each side of the rotor to stop the car. Most cars have brake pads. However, if you don't see a rotor, then you probably have drum brakes and brake shoes instead. The brake pads will be behind the wheel, in between the rotor and caliper. The first and most common symptom that people experience is hearing a squealing or grinding noise. If you hear a squealing noise while driving or braking, it could mean that the brakes have worn down to the wear indicator. This will cause the wear indicator to rub against the rotor. Now if you hear a grinding noise when braking, it could be due to worn brake pads. This will cause the backing plate to rub against the rotor. This leads to the next symptom, a scratched rotor. This happens when the backing plate is used to press on the rotors to stop the car. This metal-to-metal contact creates visual damage on the rotor. The third symptom you could be experiencing is a longer braking distance. If the brake pads are worn down to the backing plate, the metal-to-metal contact won't provide the same stopping power as the brake pad aligning. In some situations, you'll experience vibrations when braking. It's important to know that a warped rotor could also cause this when braking. The fourth symptom is your car pulling to one side when braking. For example, if the brake pads are worn out on the right side of the vehicle, then the braking force will be applied on the left side. This causes the vehicle to pull to the left side when braking. If this happens to your car, make sure to diagnose and inspect the brake system carefully, as there could be other failing components involved. The fifth symptom is a brake warning light. Some cars have an electrical wear indicator that turns on the brake warning light whenever the brake pad lining wears down. When the indicator touches the rotor, it grounds itself, completing the circuit to turn on the brake warning light. If you want a step-by-step procedure on how to replace the brake pads, I'll leave an excellent repair manual in the description below. Now if you want to learn more symptoms related to brakes, then click this video right here.